Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine. We are revising unit number 3, digestion. And today we will revise question number 8 and question number 9 on page number 28. Let's start. Question number 8 is label the picture. This is the picture of digestive system. Let's start. This is mouth. We take food into the body through mouth, and food is chewed in the mouth. Teeth help to tear the food, and tongue in the mouth helps to mix food with saliva. So this is mouth. Next, these yellow color are glands, and these are called salivary glands. Salivary glands in mouth produce saliva, and saliva soften the food, and then tongue push the food down into our throat. This long tube is called food pipe. Food enter into food pipe through throat, and then from the food pipe food enter into stomach. This long tube is called food pipe. This bag is called stomach. Stomach is a bag made up of muscles. Its function is it store food for several hours and release digestive juices to break down food into smaller pieces. Next, this long, narrow, folded or coil tube is called small intestine. It extends from stomach into large intestine, and small intestine is 20 feet long and 1 inch wider. About 90% of food digestion occur in small intestine. Next, this coil tube is called large intestine, and large intestine diameter is greater than small intestine. Small intestine is 1 inch in diameter, while large intestine is 3 inch in diameter. Means large intestine is wider than small intestine. You can see this tube is called large intestine, but the length of large intestine is smaller than small intestine. It is 5 feet long. And water is absorbed in large intestine, and undigested food and solid part of it sent out of the body as feces through anus. Now question number 9 is label the diagram. In the picture, label the 4 different types of teeth with the correct names. Add an explanation of what each kind of tooth is used for. This is the picture of our mouth, and as we know, we have 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canine, premolars and molars. First type of teeth are incisors. The teeth that are present at the front of mouth are called incisors, and incisors are total 18 numbers. You can see 4 teeth are present in lower jaw and 4 teeth are present in upper jaw. These are total 18 numbers and are at the front of mouth. Incisors are used for cutting and biting food. Now, second type of teeth are canine teeth. Canine teeth are beside the incisor. Means the teeth which are present beside the incisors are called canine teeth. You can see these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are incisors and canines are beside the incisors. Canine teeth are total 4 in number. 2 teeth are present in upper jaw and similarly 2 teeth are present in lower jaw. Canine teeth are pointed teeth because canine teeth are pointed and also sharp. They help to tear the food. Next, third type of teeth are premolars. Premolars are bigger than canine and incisors, and premolars are found between canine and molars. Premolars have a flat surface. Canine have a pointed surface, but premolars have a flat surface. And premolars are total 8 in numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 premolars are present in upper jaw, and similarly 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 premolars are present in lower jaw. Premolars are strong teeth, and these are used for crushing and grinding food into smaller pieces. Next, last type of teeth are molars. Molars are bigger and flatter teeth. Means molars have flat surface, and molars are present at the back of our mouth. The teeth which are present at the back of our mouth are called molars teeth, and molars are the strongest and toughest teeth. Molars are total 12 in numbers. 6 are present in upper jaw and 6 are present in lower jaw. These 3 and these 3. These are molar. Similarly, these 3 and these 3 on other side. These are all molars. 4 include wisdom teeth. Molars are used to grind and chew food into smaller pieces. Thank you so much.